We've seen that when we feed more Faba beans, we actually get a dent in the production efficiency, simply because the animal cannot cope with the higher levels of challenging raw ingredient, which is the Faba bean. But when we process that Faba bean, we dehull or we dehull and toast, that detriment is actually taken away. So the animal performs as if those detriments were not there. Yet at the same time, we replace more soybean meal. So therefore suggesting both in broilers as well as in layers that processing helps us to increase the soya replacement potential of the humble Faba bean.
We're getting more confidence in being able to use beans at a level. It's not uncommon to include a certain level of pulses today in a standard broiler diet. What we've really done is we've pushed that level of pulses up. We aren't talking about putting 30%, 40% levels in diets. Just increasing from 5 to 10% is going to have a significant impact on the overall carbon of UK agriculture.